Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma. Good evening. I think by today we can complete our portions. Only few things are there. Today we shall complete the portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Then we shall wait for others to join. A few minutes are there. Let us wait for others to join. How far the portions are completed in your school, ma?
Ma'am, they have not yet
They are not yet.
portions.
I couldn't get you.
They are teaching the deleted portions in carbon and its compounds.
In your school.
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, in our school also in DA, they are also teaching carbon and its compounds, ma'am.
Carbon and compost full chapter they are teaching, ah?
No, ma'am. Now only they are starting, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Pujita, you are from which school, ma?
Sunshine, ma'am.
Sunshine, carbon and compost full portion they are teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
But it is still homologus series only it is there. Even IUPAC is not there, ma.
They're teaching deleted portions. All they told some activity will conduct to record it. They told, ma'am.
You people are having the related syllabus with you or not from the net?
Ma'am, we have it in a textbook itself, ma'am.
You have it in a textbook. I couldn't get you. No,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have it.
I am having.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the syllabus of deleted portions in your
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
obtained from net? Because net was
Yes,
because
ma'am.
in that what is given in carbon compounds till homologous series only it is there, isn't it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I what I'm telling is right or
Yes,
wrong?
ma'am.
But
Correct, ma'am.
I myself has taken iPad because you should know that I think. But
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is getting what is after the iPad? It is nothing but types of chemical reaction. Those things that is not being.
Ma'am, they told it for next year it would be useful, so they're teaching this.
Next year it would be useful. Next year it will be useful. At that time you can learn what is there.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma. Good evening. Good evening. Wavia, you are from which school?
I'm Sunshine only, ma'am.
Oh, you will also say the same story, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Amrita is from which school? Amrita.
Ma'am, DAV Public School, ma'am.
Amrita is DAV. Niranjan is from
Ma'am, DAV, ma'am.
DAV. They have just started with carbon compost. You were telling. Okay.
Yes,
Sandhya.
DAV, ma'am.
DAV. Yeah. Hamsini. Hamsini, you are from the school, ma.
Ma'am, DAV Velacheri, ma'am.
DAV Velacheri. Do you have any friends other than these two schools? Do you have any friends
Yeah, ma'am.
from the school?
Ma'am, DAV Gopalpuram I have, ma'am.
DAV Gopalpuram is an entirely different institution. What about the portions they have done so far there? Did you check with your friends?
No, ma'am. If you want, I'll check today, ma'am. I
You
can
check
check.
it out.
Yes,
Check it
ma'am.
out. Are they taking the limited portion? Yeah, whether
Okay,
we are
ma'am,
taking whether we are taking, but what they have given in the net is you might, if you have gone through the net, they have told that digital portion you can teach, but questions will not be asked. That is the way it is being given.
Yes, ma'am. I'll ask them and tell, ma'am.
You ask them if it is required. One day or other day, the digital portion, you can do. What is deleted? Nothing is there. Metallurgy only deleted for us in the third chapter. Metals and non-metals.
Yes,
Understand or not? Metallurgy
Yes, ma'am.
again you will study in your 12th standard. In 12th standard also this year metallurgy portion is being deleted because of pandemic. So that is not being used. So we leave it up third chapter. Fourth chapter carbon compost, the remaining portion they are taking. And the remaining portion next year anyhow you will read. Because I have taken IUPAC. That is very important that I have taken IUPAC. The other things are normal, no problem. Check it out. But check and tell me, ma.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Next.
that we should not be left with chapters. So that we should not face a problem.
Okay, ma'am. I'll check and tell.
Let's go. Anybody yet to join in? 8, mostly 10, 2 or 8. Tillai has to come. Who has to come? Pujita, Niranjan, Akash has to come. Akshaya, Akasha. Akash has come. Only two boys, Niranjan, Akash, Pillai, all are girls. Pujita, Hamsini, Nirupama, Nirupama is missing. Okay, we shall go with the class now.
Ma'am, today I'll get it, ma'am, and then send you in
Okay,
WhatsApp, ma'am.
no problem.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
if it is that is there, that is all are taking, in all schools are taking means whether it is required, but it's not required. They don't test it. That is I am very sure. Because after telling, they won't test it because the statement is there. Even for 12th standard, portion is deleted, but requested to teach. But that will not be tested. If it is
Okay, ma'am.
related, I can take. It is nowhere related. That those chapters again it will be needed for next year. Next year teacher will take. Why will? At next year if you are coming to epsilon, we will teach. No problem. What is there? Be
Okay, ma'am.
relaxed. Be relaxed. What is there? It's enough right now. Shall we pass on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We here what is left over is we were talking about properties of the elements we are learning along the period and along the group. What are the side heading of the properties we are learning is atomic structure, valency, metallic character and non-metallic character. Only these four properties we are learning. Again, I'm recalling atomic size. The size of the atom is talked in terms of the atom size is atomic radius. Atom size is named in terms of atomic radius. Atomic radius is nothing but distance between the center of the nucleus and the valence shell of an atom. If you consider center of the nucleus and the valence shell of an atom is called as atomic radius. Based on the atomic radius, we talk about the atomic size of that. We are studying the atomic size along a period, along a group, down the group, along a period. Sometimes to confuse you also, we will ask along the group. Along the group is along the group. That way you have to say. Down the group, why I am telling means whether some children don't know the difference between group and period, but down means this way, along means this way. That way they keep it, but they forget it about what is group and period. So sometimes the question will be asked down the group instead of asking down the group. Along the group. Along the group means this is the group. Along the group. Along the period. Understand or not? Okay. When I move down the group, size of the atom increases due to increase in the number of shells. Very simple. Due to the increase in the number of shells. As we have already told that, when I start with the first shell starts filling up. When I come to the last element, last shell gets completed. Second shell, when I start with the second shell starts filling up. When I go to the last element, second shell gets completed. So when I move down the group, number of shells increases. When the number of shells increases, size of the atom increases. So when I move down the group, size of the atom increases due to increase in the number of shells. That's all over. When I move along the period, size of the atom decreases. Why? As I told, electrons get, when I move from one atom to the other atom, electrons get added up. Where the electrons get added up? The electrons get added up in the same shell. When the electrons, Nirupama has given current is going, wait, I'll read out the message. Ma'am, we are currently having some renovation work happening in the house, so I will not be able to unmute. Kindly excuse for today, I will answer in chat. Yes, ma. Yes, Nirupama, no problem. Then again 8 only. Nirupama has come inside. Then who has gone out? Who has gone out? Akash has gone out. Ayo Rama. Akash has gone out. Okay. Okay. When I move along the period, electrons get added up in the same shell. Effective nuclear charge increases. So the size of the atom decreases. That's the reason. When I move along the period, the size of the atom decreases. Why? Electrons get added in the same shell. Effective nuclear charge increases. Size of the atom decreases. That's all. First property over. Now we are talking in terms of metallic character and non-metallic character. Metals have a tendency to donate electrons. metals have a greater tendency to donate electrons. Now, when I move down the group, for example, I'm taking the first group of metals. When I take the first group of metals, that is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, I take. When I talk about these metals, when I move down the group, size of the atom increases. When I want to do, when the size, when here if I lithium only first shell, second shell, whereas if I take cesium, second shell, third shell, first shell, fourth, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, so the shell is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's more shell. The distance between the nucleus and the valence electron increases, so which can be easily used. Attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron will be less, so electron can be easily used. So, which is easy to donate electron? Cesium is easy to donate electron. Lithium is very closer. It holds electron, not ready to lose electron. So this is more metallic. This is less metallic. So I can say when I move down the group, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. When I move down the group, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. Tendency to lose electron increases. Metallic character increases. If an element has to be more metallic, the size of the atom should be bigger. When the size is bigger, its valence electron is not held tightly, which can be easily donated. So I can say when I move down the group, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. Effective nuclear charge is the average charge. I am distributing here. Your people are all children. Am I teaching separately for one child? No. I am giving the same knowledge to everyone. Your performance, your score, I am not talking about the score, your knowledge, your understanding, everything depends upon how you perceive. I am giving equally, but depends upon how you perceive. Understand? The one who understands well will perceive more. One who are very serious will perceive more. One who takes it lighter will perceive. It depends upon. Similarly, nucleus give equal amount of charge towards all the electron. But the electron, depending upon the distance, the force of attraction existing between the nucleus and the electron varies. It varies. So only we call that as effective nuclear charge. Nuclear charge, when I move down the group or along the period, nuclear charge will increase only. Because number of protons increases, nuclear charge increases. When I move down the group also, number of electrons increases, nuclear charge increases. When I move along with it from one atom to another atom, if itself I go, electron increases. When electron increases, proton increases, nuclear charge increases. When I talk about lithium, lithium atomic number is 3. Beryllium is atomic number is 4. So here 3 proton, 3 electron. Here 4 proton, 4 electron. Nuclear charge increases only. But we are not talking about nuclear charge. We are talking about effective nuclear charge. What is effective nuclear charge? Is the average charge felt by the electron. Is the average charge felt by the electron. Nucleus is giving all the charge equal to everyone. But the one electron which is near will get attracted more. The electron which is away, the distance make it to less attracted. But the charge felt by each electron remains the same. That which varies, distance varies. Accordingly, that attraction varies. So when I move down the group, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. Hence, tendency to lose electron increases. Effective nuclear charge attraction decreases. So electron is loosely held. Tendency to lose electron increases. Metallic character increases. Among this group, I say more metallic is cesium. Least metallic is lithium in this group. When I move along a period, when I talk about period, what are the elements are there? Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. When I move along the period, already we know the size of the atom decreases. Size of the atom decreases. And why the size of the atom decreases? Already we have discussed. Effective nuclear charge increases. You should not write nuclear charge. I'm telling you. When I move this way or this way, when I move from one atom to another atom, charge increases, nuclear charge increases. I'm not talking about nuclear charge. I'm talking about effective nuclear charge increases. That size of the valence electrons are held tightly. Tendency to lose electron decreases. Metallic character decreases. So when I move along the period, which is more metallic, lithium is more metallic, fluorine is more non-metallic. I can say when the metallic character decreases, means it's okay. I can talk about metal. I will come to later. Metallic character decreases. This is more metallic. This is least metallic in that period. Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we discuss? Shall we discuss? Who is ready to answer? You can take up the choice of your own. Who is ready to explain? Take up the chance. Who is ready to explain? Hello, anyone take up the choice? Niranjan will take. Niranjan, tell me. What happens when we move down the group?
Ma'am, when we metallic character, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, when we move down the group, the number of shells increases, ma'am. So that the number of so that the effective nuclear charge decreases, ma'am, and the atom size increases, ma'am. Due to this,
when I move down the group,
when we move down the group, the number of shells.
Understand and tell. Don't by heart in a hurry, don't say. Then it won't have a connectivity.
Okay, ma'am.
When I move down the group, number of shells increases. Shell increase
Effective nuclear charge decreases.
Effective nuclear charge decreases means what happens?
Atomic size increases, and due to valence electron.
Atomic size increases. Okay, atomic size increases. Okay, atomic size increases. The valence electrons are.
The valence electrons may get discharged from the atom.
Discharge is the meaning there. The valence electrons can be easily removed from the nucleus, removed from the atom. Discharge is meaning. Discharge is removing the charge, only discharge. Here we are not removing the charge. We are removing the electron itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand or not? Yes. Next step. Who wants to try along a period? Metallic character along a period. Sandhya,
try.
Who is that? I didn't see the name. Who is that? Who is telling? Shall I try? Who is that? Try, ma. No problem. Try it now. What is there in trying out the answer? Who is that?
Ma'am, me.
I'm saying. Okay, ma. Okay,
Okay,
tell ma.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. When we move along a period, the size of the atom decreases as all the electrons get added up in the same shell, and then the effective nuclear charge increases, and because of this, the valence electron do not have the tendency to lose electrons.
No. Adala valence electron tendency to lose electron. The valence electrons are
held tightly, and therefore they don't have tendency.
They don't have they cannot be easily removed. They themselves cannot remove from an atom. Electron cannot be removed on its own. Did I say anywhere?
No, ma'am.
We have to remove. But the energy what I apply for cesium is lesser to remove an electron. But to remove an electron from lithium, I have to apply more energy. So only I say cesium is more metallic, whereas lithium is less metallic. Because metal on its own will not give out electron very easily.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Understand or not? So repeat it.
Yes.
Repeat it.
Ma'am, when we move along a period, the size of the atom decreases as all the electrons get added up in the same shell, and therefore the effective nuclear charge increases, and electrons are held tightly.
Which electrons are held tightly? We are talking about which
valence. valence electrons
Specify.
are held
Specify.
tightly.
Specify. The valence electrons are held
Are
tightly.
held tightly,
Ah.
and then it is difficult for electrons to be.
It's difficult for the element to.
It is difficult for the element to lose the electrons.
Therefore, metallic character.
Metallic character is less.
Decrease. Less கிடையாது. I didn't compare which one is having more and down. I'm asking
Okay.
to tell along the group. So along the period. So metallic
So
character.
the metallic character decreases.
Decreases along the period.
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it or not?
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
wants to try? Ovia, try it out along the group. Ovia.
Yes, ma'am.
Ovia, try along the group. Metallic character down the group.
Okay. The atomic size increases down the group. It is because the new shells are being added up as we go down the group.
Yes.
The atomic size increases and also the nuclear charge increases.
Nuclear charge நீ சொல்லவே வேண்டாம். Nuclear charge பத்தி சொல்லவே சொல்லாத.
Okay, ma'am.
But you can talk in terms of, you need not talk in terms of nuclear charge. But you can talk in terms of
Distance.
effective nuclear charge.
Okay, ma'am.
Effective nuclear charge.
The
Decreases. Effective nuclear charge decreases.
okay.
ஏன்னா size பெருசாக shell பெருசாக என்ன ஆகுது? You no need to talk about it. You need not talk about the effective nuclear charge. When the size of the atom becomes because the valence electrons are loosely held by the nucleus, so that easily the element can lose the electron. So metallic character increases down the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Go in an order. Go, நீயே think பண்ணு. என்ன sentence போட continuation வரும் நீயே think பண்ணு.
Okay, ma'am.
Pujita, try it out. Down the
Yes,
group.
ma'am. Down the group, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As we move down the group, number of shells increases. The effective nuclear charge experienced by valence electrons decreases because the outermost electrons move away from the nucleus.
Yes, absolutely right. So,
These valence electrons can be lost easily because of it.
so metallic character.
Ma'am,
So metallic character.
by losing the electrons, the metallic character increases down the group.
அவ்வளவுதான். She has used the same sentence on her own, but it is coherent. Come in that way. Understand. Don't by heart without meaning. If you understand, you can frame the sentence of your own. So when you make the sentence of your own, it should be coherent. Next, Sandhya, try it out for metallic character along the period.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we move along the period, the size of the atom decreases because the electron gets added up in the same shell. Effective nucleus charge increases. The valence electrons are difficult to remove because they are held tightly.
They are held tightly by whom?
Held tightly by our nucleus.
That has to specify, no? They are held tightly by the nucleus. So metallic character?
Metallic character decreases.
அவ்வளவுதான், decreases along the period. So your metallic property is determined by. Metallic property is determined by. Akash is there. Akash, you have gone out and come. Akash, metallic property is determined by. Metallic property is determined by. How you determine the metallic property? Amrita?
Ma'am, if the tendency to lose electrons is high,
No. You determine. How do you determine the metallic property? Metallic property is determined by its ability.
by its ability to lose electrons.
Avada. Akasha.
Ma'am, the metallic property is determined by the ability to lose electrons.
Ability to lose electrons. Then how do you determine the non-metallic character? Non-metallic character is the ability of the element to accept the electron. If you want to remove an electron from me, my contact between me and my electron should be lesser. Then only usually you can do it. So my size should be bigger. You can very simple. You can see, keep in mind. Larger the size, easy to donate electrons. Smaller the size, easy to accept the electron. How? Non-metals are measured based on its ability to accept the electron. If the element has a greater tendency to accept the electron, it is said to be highly non-metallic. If the element has a greater tendency to accept the electron, it is said to be highly non-metallic. Then how am I going to find it? Now I move along the period. You yourself told size of the increases due to increasing effective nuclear charge. You are not supposed to, again and again reminding, you cannot talk in terms of nuclear charge. Why? When I move from one atom to the other atom, nuclear charge increases only. Nuclear charge increases only. It is not the nuclear charge. What is nuclear charge? Number of protons give the nuclear charge. Here number of protons is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nuclear charge increases only. We are not talking about the nuclear charge. We are talking about the effective nuclear charge. If I move from here also nuclear charge increases. The nuclear charge, this also increases. Then how do you account? So we are not talking in terms of nuclear charge. We are talking in terms of effective nuclear charge. What is the meaning for effective nuclear charge? Is that I say that when electrons are very close to each other, they try to, that you study in your 11th standard, they try to hide from each other, shield from each other. Why they want to shield? To avoid repulsion. Because when the electrons are closer, repulsion will be there. Repulsion, it will increase the energy. To avoid the repulsion, so the electrons try to shield themselves. That they need some energy. Those energy and all will utilize, and the remaining only is seen as a nuclear charge. That charge only we call as a effective nuclear charge. In simple, I can say, is an average charge felt by the electron. Average charge. That if you are providing everything equally to everyone, even though if there are 6 electrons, equally the charge is distributed. But the electrons are not in the same place. Electrons in a different place. So attraction varies. If they are in the same place, same charge, so they get more attracted. In the case of fluorine, 2 and 7, there are 7 electrons. All are in the same shell. Equally it is bigger, so all get more attracted. So I have to talk in terms of effective nuclear charge. Fovea, keep it noted. It is not the nuclear charge. Again and again, let me remind you.
Okay, ma'am.
So when I move down the group, we were talking about along the period. First, okay. When I move along the period, size of the atom decreases. Why? Due to increasing effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge. Increase in effective nuclear charge increases. So tendency to accept the electron increases. Metallic character increases. When I move along the period, size of the atom decreases due to increasing effective nuclear charge. So tendency to higher increasing effective nuclear charge makes the atom to accept the electrons. So non-metallic character increases. Greater. If I take fluorine, so smallest, greater tendency to accept, because why it is smallest? Effective nuclear charge is higher. Greater tendency to accept the electron. So this is said to be highly non-metallic in that period. When I move down the group, size of the atom decreases, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. For those electrons, effective nuclear charge is less means, will it show a newcomer to come inside? So it will not show. So tendency to accept the electron decreases. So non-metallic character decreases. So non-metallic character decreases. Among these elements, this is said to be more non-metallic. This is said to be highly metallic. One thing I will tell you. We talk about metals. It doesn't mean that it doesn't have non-metallic properties. If I talk about non-metals, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have metallic properties. All elements possess all the properties, but the ratio of the properties it possesses only varies. When the metallic property is very, very, very high, for example, in a bucket of water, one spoon of acid I have added. In a bucket of water, 1 spoon of acid I added. Will the solution be acidic or neutral? Ma, answer me, ma. I have asked you the question. I have added in a bucket of water 1 spoon of acid I have added. Will the bucket of water will be acidic or neutral? Tell me.
Neutral.
Neutral. Why?
Because a small
Water is in huge amount. Acid you have taken only 1 spoon. Whatever you added the 1 spoon.
Is there?
Then compared to volume of water, 1 spoon of water is very, 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 very negligible. But the solution is said to be acidic only because even little amount of acid is there, the solution is said to be acidic. But like acid character you will not see because of is this negligible amount. If I have lakhs, crores of money, 10 rupees loss is a loss.
No, ma'am.
It's nothing. Even if I have 1 crore, even 1,000 rupees is loss is also is not a loss. Because compared to 1 crore, 1,000 is very, 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 very less. Still is considered that I have 1 crore. So that way. Metallic character means it has more of metallic character. Non-metallic character is very, very negligible. So it is overlooked. It is not seen. If I talk about non-metals, non-metallic character is very, very high. Metallic character is very less. So it is being not noticed. But when I talk about metalloids, it shows both characters of metallic property and non-metallic property, which is being observable amount is there. So only we call them as metalloids. So when I talk about lithium, cesium is said to be more metallic. Lithium is said to be more non-metallic in the group. I can say lithium is a metal. Yes, it's a metal. We know that.
As we move down the group,
who is telling? To whom? Who is telling to whom? Yes, it's lithium metal we know. But even though it's a metal, it shows, when I compare the non-metallic character, it shows more of non-metallic character. Got it or not? If the metal is more metallic, its non-metallic character will be less. If it is highly non-metallic, its metallic character will be less. Opposite to each other. For example, now I am talking about halogens. What are halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are halogens. You are not able to see that. Okay. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are called as halogens. Now tell me, which is highly non-metallic? Which is highly non-metallic? Anyone can try it out. Which is highly non-metallic?
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Chlorine. Who told chlorine? Who told chlorine? Somebody told chlorine. No problem. I will try it. I am telling you. Who told chlorine? Niranjana. Here is one thing I'll tell you. It's a logic. Logic I'll tell you. I do not know the answer. But what we say, either it increases or decreases only you told. So either your answer should be the first element or the last element. How you can say the second in between the element?
Ma'am.
Logic dana pesra. I told either increase or decrease means then I gave a group of elements. Either this should be the answer or this should be the answer. இது இருக்குமா சான்ஸ்?
I thought I told like that, ma'am.
You thought I told. Now tell me what is the answer, ma? Which is highly non-metallic?
Ma'am, non-metallic character is high in iodine.
High in iodine. Justify. Non-metallic. What is? How do you define the non-metallic character?
Ma'am, we define
Tell.
Okay. We define non-metallic character as tendency to gain more electrons.
Which, if I want to accept the electron, my size should be
Small.
If it is smaller, only I will have.
Increase in effective nuclear charge.
Which is smaller here? Tell me, it is smaller.
Fluorine.
Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, which is smaller? I have written the elements down the group. So which is smaller?
Fluorine.
Fluorine. So which is highly non-metallic?
Fluorine.
Justify.
Okay, ma'am. Fluorine is more non-metallic because atomic size is small.
Atomic size is small and abhi muchliya. Atomic
size is small.
I have given you a clue to if some other questions they will ask. Find out the metal, find out the non-metal, to justify it, to choose it, to make the time possible. But if you write as a descriptive question of ask for 2 months, you cannot stop like this.
Okay, ma'am, I'll tell ma'am. Ma'am, fluorine is highly non-metallic because the size of the atom decreases as there is increase in the effective nuclear charge and electrons get added up in the same shell.
Yeah. First point, third point. You go by your own method, but let the sentence be logic.
Okay, ma'am.
Coherent varno. That third sentence should have the meaning correspond to the second point.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, fluorine is highly non-metallic because the size of the atom decreases as electrons get added up in the same shell, and due to this, the effective nuclear charge increases, and then the element has and the element does not have any tendency to lose electrons.
I'm not able to get you. Please.
Which one, ma'am?
The same thing. Repeat it.
From first, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, fluorine is said to be highly non-metallic because the size of the atom decreases as the electrons get added up in the same shell, and due to this, effective nuclear charge increases, and then the element does not have the tendency to lose electrons.
எதுக்கு இல்லாதத பத்தி சொல்ற? It's like
okay, metallic character decreases.
We are talking about what character, Tangam?
Non-metallic character.
அத பத்தி பேசு Tangam. Why you are talking about metallic character?
Okay, so non-metallic character increases.
Non-metallic character என்னன்னு first நீ define பண்ணியா?
Yes, ma'am. First I said, ma'am.
நான் அந்த question கேட்கும்போது தான் நான் சொன்னேன். But actually, understand, when I ask us a question, you answer it. But non-metallic character directly means, how do you know what is non-metallic character? How do I know?
Ma'am, then how should I like put it in the sentence, ma'am? First I'll say about along the period, then have to say about
You are telling along the
non-metallic.
period, non-metallic
Yes,
you
ma'am.
bring it. Non-metallic character depends upon the tendency to accept the electron.
Accept
When I move,
electron.
accept the electron. So when I move down the group, size of the atom increases. Effective nuclear charge decreases. Tendency to accept the electron.
Increases.
Mavale.
Ma'am,
Effective nuclear
tendency to
charge.
effective nuclear charge increases, ma'am.
Hey, when I move down the group, effective nuclear charge
No. When we move down the group, effective nuclear charge decreases.
Tendency to accept the electron.
Tendency to accept the electrons also decreases.
So, non-metallic character.
So non-metallic character decreases.
So fluorine is said to be.
Fluorine is said to be highly non-metallic.
That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Coherent varno. Third point, related you cannot put it. You can. It is not like necessary that you have to write out what I say. No. You can bring out the sentence, but the sentence should be coherent.
Okay, ma'am.
It should be connected. Third sentence should have a connectivity with the second. Second should have a connectivity with one. If you don't tell like that and mix here and there, means it doesn't give a meaning. What you are trying to say? There is some tells that you are in a confused state. Got it or not?
Got it, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine means which is more non-metallic. Fluorine, which is highly said to be metallic. Among this, which is more metallic?
Iodine.
Iodine is metallic. Justify why here. How do you justify? How do you justify iodine is metallic?
Ma'am,
More
because
metallic.
iodine,
More metallic.
ma'am, because iodine has the tendency to lose electrons because the effective nuclear charge decreases and it has more shells in it, ma'am.
இது எப்படிடா இருக்கு? நீ வந்து பேக்ல இருந்து அப்படியே போற. You said that. Yeah. Why it is ready to lose the electron? Effective charge lesser, size of the shell increases. Effective nuclear charge is decreasing because of the size of the shell. Number of shells added up only decrease in nuclear charge. Nuclear charge solely the number of shells increase added. How is related? Niranjan.
Sorry, ma'am. I told in the reverse order, ma'am.
It is எப்படி இருக்கு? தை சால் சாப்பிட்டு, ரசம் சால் சாப்பிட்டு, சாம்பார் சாதம் வரது மாதிரி இருக்கு. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, ma'am.
அப்படி இருக்கு நீ சொல்றது. பால் வெத்தலை பார்த்து வெத்தலை போட்டுட்டு சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. எல்லாரும் வெத்தலை பார்த்து சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டு வெத்தலை பார்த்து போடுவாங்க. உங்க உள்டாவா இருக்கு. அண்டர்ஸ்டுண்டா?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, students understood or not? Any doubt regarding this?
Yes,
So, understood what he said. This is why I am asking you to do this. People get confused with that. So, only I took this. Because once you are clear with that, the sentence should be coherent. Because of the number of shells increases, only effective nuclear charge decreases. Because of decrease in effective nuclear charge, tendency to lose electron increases. Whereas tendency to accept the electron decreases. Sentence is simple. You make the sentence simple. You need not think that all sentence which if we write only miss will give full mark. Don't think so. It should be coherent and it should convey the complete meaning in an easy way. Understood? Clear? Niranjan, you try it out any one thing. Any character you talk about. Atomic size of along the period or along the group, metallic character along any property. Atomic size, metallic, non-metallic. Along the period, along the group. So if you study how many things are there, 6 questions are there. Among the 6 questions, any one you choose and it's there. Niranjan?
Now, ma'am.
Now only Tango.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will explain about metallic characters in the down the group, ma'am.
Metallic character down the group you are talking. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, up to your choice. Okay, go ahead. But think point should be sambar sadam, rasam sadam, thai sadam, then only better butter.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try, ma'am. Ma'am, the elements and which are down the group are metallic because they have.
Down the group metallic இருக்குன்னு அவசியமே இல்லடா. ஒரு குரூப்ல எல்லாமே மெட்டல்ஸா இருக்குன்னு அவசியமே இல்ல.
Okay.
You don't talk about those things and all.
Okay.
Why you want to, what you are telling like this, why you yourself want to fall into a pit? Don't do that. Don't ask that.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't ask whether it is metals or non-metals. I didn't ask. I asked what happens down the group.
So when we move down the group, the number of shells increases, due to which the atomic size also increases, and due to which effective nuclear charge decreases, ma'am. So the valence electrons easily tend to lose their electrons. So they is said to have metallic character.
So metallic character.
Correct, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. And last they said down the group that a metallic character dash down the group.
Metallic character increases down the group.
Okay. Understand? But Niranjan, so hence previous statement sentences there. I didn't study them. Hence I get low mark. Hence I did not sleep well. Appadina varadu continuous. Hence.
Okay, ma'am.
One sentence meaning reason, because of the reason I did not do. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So everywhere you should not use hence. That is also wrong way.
Okay.
But see to the sentence that can be improved on. Try you practice it by writing. That is very important.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me do one property. Say with that I am completing this the syllabus of your 10th. Next is valency. It is very simple one. What is valency? This you have studied already in your 9th standard. Is the number of electrons lost or gained to attain the nearest noble gas configuration is called as valency. For example, if I take carbon, atomic number is 6, I write it as 2, 4. It has a tendency to lose 4 or it can gain 4 to attain the octet structure. So valency for carbon is 4. It's the number of electrons lost or gained or shared. Here losing tendency is also 4, gaining is also 4, very difficult. So it goes for sharing to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. So valency is 4. If I take sulfur, sulfur is 16 atomic number, electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. So valence electron is 6. It's ready to lose 6 electrons or it can accept 2 electrons to attain the octet structure. But which is easier? Ready to accept. So its valency is 2. That what is valency? The number of electrons lost or gained or shared in order to attain the octet structure is called as valency. What is the valence electron? The electron in the outermost shell is called as a valence electron. Understand? Let us see the valence electron. What happens in the valence electron is down the group. For example, lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium atomic number is 3, 2, 1. Sodium 11 is 2, 8, 1. Is potassium 2, 8, 8, 1. What is the valence shell? What is the valence electron? The electron is the outermost shell, is the valence electron. The electrons in the outermost shell is called as a valence electron. This is, if I see the valence electron remains the same. So in a group, the valence electron remains the same. In a group, the valence electron remains the same. Since the valence electron remains the same, valency also will be the same in the group. Because it is ready to lose 1 electron to attain the octet structure rather than to gain 7 electrons. So valency is 1. So if the valence electron is same, valency is same. In a group. So only in a group, the number of valence electron remains the same. The valence electron only determines the properties. So I can group the elements based on the similar valence electron. If they have similar valence electron, then the properties of those elements will be same. So I can group them in the same group. So what happens to the valence electron in a group? In a group, valence electron of the element remains the same. If the valence electron remains the same, valency remains the same of all the elements in a group. That's all. Then how I define along a period. I take lithium. They won't ask this question also. Why? I'll tell you. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Lithium is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. That's it. Valence, when I move along a period, valence electron increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They will ask the valence electron. When I move along a period, the valence electron increases. In the group, the valence electron remains the same. In a group, the valence electron remains the same. In a period, valence electron increases. Understand? This is one movement. Next is valency. When I talk about valency, in a group, valency remains the same. Why? Valence electron remains the same. So valency remains the same. But in a period, valence electron increases. Then what is the valency? What is the valency here? 1. What is the valency here? 2. What is the valency here? 3. What is the valency here? 4. What is the valency here? 3. What is the valency here? 2. Valency is 3. So what happens to the valency along a period? Valency increases and then decreases. How do you define a valency? Valency is nothing but tendency of the element to gain or lose electron in order to attain the octet structure. It's ready to lose 1 electron to attain the octet structure. Ready to lose electron, 2 electron, because it has to gain, it has to lose 1. Here number of electron, here I cannot talk about octet, 8. Why? Because already my electron itself is 3. Then where I have to attain octet? Understand? So that is another, we forget it out. But generally, why elements are combined to form molecules in order to attain the octet structure? That is a rule. So it's ready to lose 1 electron to attain the nearest to noble gas configuration. 1. It is 2, 3, 4. But here 5. Losing 5 or gaining 3. Losing 5 is difficult rather than to gain 3. So it gains 3. So valency is 2, 1. Likewise, we find out. We find out that valency increases and then decreases. That's all regarding the syllabus of 10th standard. Anything you want to discuss? Is there any question at the back of the chat? I'll give the book and wait. Give the book. Take page number, it's very simple only. Now, objective type and all you can do. Atom has electronic configuration. That's a question. Which of the following element is not the correct statement among the that and all you can do. Now, this second question I will do. A element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2. X forms a compound with chlorine forms XCl2. Understand? So how do you write the formula of a compound that you are studying in your 9th standard? If I take X, Y, then if this valency is 2, this valency is 3, crisscross we do. Then we write X3, Y2. This is the way we write. So this charge should come here. Understand? This is 2, shows here. This here 1, so this should come 1. Understand?
Ma'am, is it magnesium?
Wait, I didn't complete it. Yes. Then, which is a solid with a high melting point, would likely in the same group of the periodic table. Would most likely to be in the same group of the periodic table. Yes. This charge is 2. How do you write it? Next, sodium forms 1, magnesium 2, aluminum 3, silicon 4. That we know silicon is 14. So, what will be the answer? Magnesium 2. Magnesium is the answer. There is one more question I will ask. When X combines with chlorine, it forms HCl2. What will be if it combines with What will be the formula if it combines with sulfate? What will be the formula if it combines with sulfate? So what will write? X, SO4. I know sulfate charge is 2 minus. From this I find out this charge is 2. So the formula, if they combine with sulfate, the formula, this is the question will be asked. The formula will be XO4. What will be the formula of the element if they combine with oxygen? From this compound I know X is plus 2. So X, oxygen minus 2. So the formula is XO. Then I can easily find, this is the way we have to find it. This is the way question will be asked. Got it or not? We know that chloride is minus 1. So this is charge is 2, understood? Suppose a compound is formed of Y sulfate. What if Y what is the formula of Y if it combines with chloride? Sorry, combines with chloride. What is the formula? If Y combines with chloride, how do I know? What is the formula if it combines with chloride? Sollungamma, sollunga. What is the formula of the Y element if it forms compound with chloride? Amma, vaya tarangamma. Pujita, what is the answer?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Why, when it combines with sulfate, this is the compound being formed. If Y combines with chlorine, what will be the formula formed by it?
YCl.
ACL.
Ma'am?
YCl.
YCl, Pujita. Okay. Is there any other answer?
Ma'am, YCl.
YCl2.
YCl2. Any other answer? Any other answer?
YCl3, ma'am.
Before YCl3. Any other answer?
Ma'am, how will YCl3 come?
Wait, Amma. Wait, Amma. Is there any other answer? If I know sulfate ion, what is the charge? 2 minus. No charge, no charge. So therefore it should be 2 plus. So only they get cancelled and you are writing as YSO4. From that you conclude plus 2. Then Y combines with chlorine means what is? Minus 1. So the formula is YCl2. This is and this are not answer is. Pujita, understood it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me. Y combines with chlorine to form Y chloride, YCl3. If Y combines with sulfate, what will be the formula? If Y combines with sulfate, what will be the formula?
YSO4.
YSO4. Any other answer?
Ma'am,
Y2SO4
Y2SO4 thrice.
YSO4 thrice.
Y?
SO4 thrice.
SO4 thrice.
YSO4 thrice. Any other answer?
Ma'am, Y2SO4 thrice.
Y2SO4 thrice. Any other answer? Any other answer? From this I know chloride is minus 1. From this, அப்ப இந்த 1 தான் இங்க போயிருக்கு. இந்த 1 தான் இங்க வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப இது என்ன ஆகும்? 3 plus. Now I have to combine with sulfate. Sulfate I know 2 minus. This from this I know plus 3. Crisscross. So formula is Y2SO4 thrice. இந்த சார்ஜ் போடி அப்ப இந்த சார்ஜ் இங்க போட வேண்டாமா? This is the way the question will be asked. Be careful. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me. Why reacts with chlorine to form this? Now, why reacts with nitrite? Very. What is reaction with hydroxide? What is reaction with hydroxide? What is the formula? Y reacts with nitrogen to form nitrite like this. If Y reacts with hydroxide, what is the formula?
Ma'am, YOH twice.
Yes, YOH twice. Yes. Why? This 2 comes over here. This 3 comes over. Nitride. Nitrogen 7. 2, 5. Valence is 3. So is 3. This 2 goes over here. So only we are writing 3, 2. I can find it out from known element. It is unknown. I do not know. From the known element, I can find out the valence. No. I can counter check also. Now I know this charge is 2. OH is -1. Crisscross. So the formula is YOH twice. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the way. This is the way you have to do. This is the way question will be asked. Then I want to tell. I will take the 6th question. Question will be asked of this type. The other things you can do is 6th question. The position of 3 elements, 16th group. They are given group number also. Group 16, group 17 they are given. First dash dash. Second dash here A. Third dash dash. Fourth B. Here you are having C. This is to be very clear. Second dash, first dash. This is the way you have to keep in mind. Now state whether A is a metal or a non-metal. Now you tell me. Now I start from Pujita.
Ma'am, non-metal.
Why you say it's a non-metal? Justify. Why you say it's a non-metal? Justify. Akash. Akash. A is a metal or a non-metal?
Non-metal, ma'am.
Justify. How do you justify that it's a non-metal?
Because it belongs to group 17.
17 is the extreme end of the periodic table. The extreme end of the periodic table are made up of non-metals. It's nothing but 17th group is nothing but halogens. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. If they are not given 17, then you cannot say whether it's metal or non-metal.
Ma'am, can we say like that because it belongs to group 17?
Because of group 17. Since they given the group number, I have no, it's a non-metal. If they don't give the group number, we cannot predict it whether it's a metal or a non-metal. Understood there?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next state whether C is more reactive or less reactive than A. C is more reactive or less reactive than A. So they will ask such a way. Here both are
In the same group.
Same group.
Same group. Reactivity, how will you talk about? In chemical reaction, what is involved? Electrons are involved. So you talk about the reactivity either in donation or in acceptance of electrons. Here both are non-metals.
No.
Both are non-metals. It's a 70th group. Both are non-metals. So you talk about the reactivity in terms of tendency to
gain electrons.
இப்ப மெட்டல் கொடுத்தனா நீ என்ன பண்ணுவ tendency to donate electron பேசுவ நான் மெட்டல் கொடுத்தனா you will talk in terms of tendency to accept the electron. இங்க நான் general reactivity ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டேன். Then how am I to know the reactivity? அப்ப மெட்டலா இருந்தா the reactivity is measured in terms of donation of electrons. If it is a non-metal, you have to talk about the reactivity in terms of acceptance of electrons. அடுத்த சான்ஸ் அம்மா மிஸ் மிக்ஸடா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க எதாச்சும் சொல்ல மிக்ஸடா கொடுத்தா அவன் எதை கேட்கறான்னு வச்சுக்கோ யூ டாக் அபவுட் தி ரியாக்டிவிட்டி வித் இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டொனேஷன் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான் கொடுத்தா டொனேஷன் கொடு they will ask talk about the reactivity in terms of donation of electrons or acceptance of electrons. They will specify if they give mixed எல்லாமே மெட்டலா இருக்கு அப்படா என்ன பண்ணு talk about the reactivity you have to talk in terms of donation of electrons. எல்லாமே நான் மெட்டலா இருக்கு then you have to talk in terms of acceptance of electrons. Clear? Clear or not? What I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Up here both are non-metals. 17 groups they specify. So it's non-metals. So you have to talk about the reactivity in terms of acceptance of electrons. Which is more ready enough to accept the electron? The one which is smaller. So which is more reactive, A or C? A is more reactive. State whether C is more reactive or less reactive. C is less reactive than A. Maybe in terms of acceptance of donator, both are non-metals. They show more tendency to accept only. Understand or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I can talk about the reactivity either in terms of donation of electrons or in terms of acceptance. How do I know whether to talk in terms of donation or acceptance? Check the elements given. Metals means you have to talk in terms of donation of electrons. Non-metals, acceptance of electrons. Ma'am, if mixed they given, how am I to see? They will specify. They would have asked in terms of donation or in terms of acceptance. If they are not given, how am I to know? You can do with anyone in that case. If they are given the elements in a mixed form, metals, non-metals mixed and given, you can talk in any form. Got it or not?
Yes,
Got it or not? Will C be larger or smaller than B? C is bigger or smaller than B? C bigger or smaller than B? Akash?
Smaller.
When I move along a period, yes, smaller. Because when I move along a period, size of atom decreases. So C is smaller than B. What type of ion? Cation or anion will be formed by element A. A will form a cation or anion. A will form a cation or anion. Mark solla tangam. This is group 17 illa. Is metal or non-metal?
Non-metal.
Non-metal has a tendency to form cation or anion.
Cation.
Anion.
Anions have a greater tendency to accept the electron. When they accept the electron, what they form? Anion.
Anion,
ma'am.
ஒரு மணி நேரம் கதையை படிச்சுட்டு கடைசியில ஒண்ணு விட்டா பாரு. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு கதையே. Metals have a tendency to form cation. Non-metals have a tendency to form anion. முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. Ionic bond அப்படின்னா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சா மெட்டல் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னேன். கோலன் பாண்ட் இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்? நான் மெட்டல் இருக்கும். அப்ப இது கதையை போட்டே முடிச்சுட்டேன். Okay, ma. With that, I am writing out your 10th standard syllabus. I will inform Raghav sir. He will give the schedules. Based on the schedule, we can go for the revision. If you need required revision, we can go for the revision too. Now classes will be not regularly like Tuesday and Thursday. It will be of weekly once or 2 weeks. Once in 2 weeks, it will be. The revision portion will be revised and given back. So if you go on reading, if you come across some doubts are there, you can post in the group and I will answer it. Post in the group, I will answer it. When you are reading, you come across some doubts, post in the group, I will answer it. Number 1. Number 2, ma'am is also thinking of if they give the thing, if they are scheduling the test, accordingly revision will be done. At the time we shall do the revision very fast. For that, when you are coming for the revision, you have to come prepared for the class. Then only I will do the revision. Again, I will not re-teach the chapters. What is the question? Everything. I will ask the same way. Question I will ask so that you can, when you answer it, you can get corrected where your mistakes are there. So that what you are supposed to come, you have to come prepared for the revision class. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
As all of the subject syllabus are over? Maths is over?
No, ma'am. Only chemistry is going to complete, ma'am.
This is going to complete. Biology?
Biology, one chapter is remaining, I think.
So, okay, ma'am. One of you told that you check with DAV Kopalapuram and tell me that you
Yes, ma'am.
It is there. Then I will also check from my side whether all are taking. It is not required. I won't ask you the questions. I am very sure. Again, this continuation you are doing in 11th standard. We will do in the 11th standard. Why you want to worry and break your heads in this pandemic situation? No, be free. So go through the content. We shall meet in the revision class. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Till then, only you people have to be take care. Now only you have to be very careful, because again the peak is going to come now only. So be cautious, be careful, sanitize yourself, be careful. Take care. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm leaving the class. Thank you.